I'm challenging jurisdiction.
You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none. And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready.
Now, I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt.
All right, guys. Today we've got an absolutely clueless sovereign citizen who thinks he can outsmart the court by challenging its jurisdiction. You really can't make this stuff up. Judge Perkins? Oh, he's having fun with this one. The guy is literally just reading off some script he found online. He probably doesn't even know what jurisdiction means. Spoiler, the court has authority whether he likes it or not. But hey, he's still determined to make a fool of himself. So, what do you guys think? Where does this clown's IQ rank? Drop your guesses in the comments, and let's dive in as Judge Perkins toys with him.
Would you like to litigate against me?
I'm not litigating anything against you.
Okay, you have been practicing law across the bench since we started this. And I'm challenging jurisdiction today.
Okay. What do you want to do, Mr. Hicks?
I'm challenging.
You want a trial date or you want the offer that's in the back?
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Okay, put it in a motion.
I don't have to put it in a motion. I don't have to put it in a motion.
If I say you do, you do.
No, you don't have the right to do that. You don't have a Congress number. You don't have delegated authority to do that.
Okay. All right. Well,
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Trial date. I'm denying. What is your motion? You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none.
Okay, so
honor your oath of office, please. Honor your oath of office, okay?
Are we going to sit here and debate those positions?
It's not a debate. It's my constitutional right. It's my constitutional right.
You think so? Okay,
I know so. Are you violating my constitutional rights on how you deem them to be?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Okay, I have a transcript from all the other times I talked with you because you've been practicing across the bench for the longest.
Okay, so what are you going to do today, Mr. Hicks?
Challenge jurisdiction.
And how are you challenging that?
Because you have no jurisdiction. You have the burden of proof is on.
This guy seriously thinks he can walk into court, say jurisdiction denied, and the judge will just shrug and go, "Oh, my bad, case dismissed." Like, bro, that is not how any of this works. Sovereign citizens act like the law is some kind of Netflix subscription, as if they can just cancel it whenever they don't like the terms. Newsflash, that's not an option. If you don't want to follow the laws, maybe it's time to pack up and leave, because this nonsense is getting out of control. So, what do you guys think? Should we tighten the laws on these sovereign citizens, or just ship them off to their own little island? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
I am, in this case.
Okay.
And I deny that motion.
Why you deny the motion? Because you don't have.
So Mr. Hicks, you're a grown man. Let's have a few seconds. Wait a minute. Let's have a few second conversation, okay? Now let's get this straight. I'm running this show, okay? So if I'm going to allow you to talk and say what you have to say, you're talking about challenging jurisdiction right now. That's what the discussion is. I say I have jurisdiction. The court rules say I have jurisdiction. The Constitution of the state of Michigan say I have jurisdiction. So I'm denying. No, don't talk while I'm talking. I'm denying your motion as far as you contesting my jurisdiction. Okay? So take your hood off, please. So other than that, what else do you want? How do you want to proceed now moving forward?
I motion to dismiss.
I'm denying that motion. Okay, let me ask you this. What basis are you denying the motion to dismiss?
Because no crime, a bill of attainder, no injured party. I told you all of this at the beginning, and you denied everything. You practice over the bench.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you two options.
As a matter of fact, hold on. Give me a minute. You even went through a 10 and 3 because you started threatening me. You remember that?
No, you were the one. Wait a minute. You were the one, Mr. Hicks, that said, "Oh, you can say all that while you're on the bench." That's what the court rules are. You got to follow.
No, it's not. Then show me those rules. Let me see those rules. Send those rules to me.
I don't have to show you anything. That's all public information.
You're acting tough now? You're acting tough now? Behind the bench?
Mr. Hicks. Let's not go there, all right? Did you say that last time?
Do you have the transcripts? Yeah, I said it. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
I thought about that.
I don't even have a license.
I thought about that. Listen, this whole
have license to practice law.
These sovereign citizens seriously think saying, "I don't consent" is some kind of legal cheat code. Like, bro, this isn't Hogwarts. You're not casting a spell on the judge. Courts have ruled over and over that just saying they have no jurisdiction doesn't magically make it true. And yet, these guys keep trying, like if they just say it one more time, it'll suddenly work. It's basically like watching someone enter the wrong password 100 times and thinking, "Nah, this next one's the winner." I swear, these people might be a different species. And also, why are they all from Michigan? Like, is there some kind of sovereign citizen headquarters over there? If you're from Michigan, let me know. What's going on over there?
Denying your motions. Now, I'm going to give you two options. The first option is you can either take the deal that's in the file, or we can. Okay, don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
A few minutes. I got your paperwork ready. You really want to
talk?
You really want to do this?
All right. Now I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court. Okay? All right. So the other option is we set a jury trial. And we'll set the jury trial. I'll give you motion dates where you can have the dates and you can put all of your stuff in writing that you want before the court. And I'll make a date on that date. I'll make a date when I'll rule on those motions. So, do you want the offer or do you want the jury trial date and the motions dates?
I thought that the trial was up to me, whether I have a bench trial or a jury trial. It's not up to you.
No, it's not up to you. I'm giving you. Everybody has a right to a jury trial.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to allow you to exercise that jury trial right. I'm not going to sit here and entertain a bench trial for you. Let a jury of your peers determine your innocence or guilt.
Why would I do that?
How?
I have the right to either or. You're not the one.
No, you don't have a right. No, you don't have a right to either or.
Yes, I do. Of course, I do.
All right. I'm moving on.
All right, moving on.
You didn't answer my question, so I'm moving on. And I'm going to put you out, or at least mute yourself. All right, let's do this, and let's go back on the record one more time with Mr. Hicks.
For the record, Your Honor, D. Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, I did subpoena my officers to be here today for the final pretrial, and I do not see them here today.
Remove your hat, please. No drinking, please. Treat this like you're in the courthouse. Remove your hat, please, Mr. Hicks. All right. What are we gonna do? The officers were supposed to be here today. I'm only dealing with SB 1442547 counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 144-27651, and SB 5008721. I'm only dealing with those matters. And the officers are not here. So we're gonna make this easy. And now, what I don't appreciate is, you know, I thought about that comment that you made that last time. You know, basically, you're almost, it's almost like a little lightweight threat that you had toward me, saying that, oh, I'm only doing this, I'm only this way because I'm being protected by the bench. That's absolutely not. I'm the same way 24 hours a day. Okay? So let's get that straight. This robe has nothing to do with me as a man. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases because no officer appeared.
It was painful watching this clown turn around and ask the judge for court fees and costs. The audacity. Like, bro, the judge literally just let you walk on all your charges, and your first move is to ask when you're getting paid? Who raised you at this point? Sovereign citizens are just out here ruining the country with their nonsense. They really think they're above the law, trying to manipulate the system and turning the legal process into one big joke. To them, every rule and law is optional, and honestly, it's exhausting to watch. But hey, that's why we're here, right? To expose the nonsense and bring the truth to light. If you enjoyed watching this train wreck as much as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. I really want to hear what you guys think about this court hearing, so drop your thoughts in the comments. I post every single day, so stay tuned. Thank you all so much for being part of the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.